Stop, it's JP. So why do I make this video before my run out? So una, salamat sa pang-delete and subscribers. That really helped me out. Two, Charles Jackson, kung cellphone kay bang na ma-run out buwas. Antigo kay wala naman magka-charge on cellphone kay bang na makabubat sini. Doon naman akong battery, so that means it is a huge problem for me. Kaya nakagubat charge, lobat charge. Mao na itong problema. And the third one, nakusog sa nawan kay kasi sa focus track nadana sa may kataman o vera katanduanes ang ato na position ay west northwest man siya ay tapos after the existing the pa masunod naman gyapon pagkadto Taiwan na Taipei ang new Taipei City adto. So adto ang focus track niya na signal number 2 dito sa Calbayog. So okay, magkusog naman ang uwan as of now kay wala mabaha dito sa Ipaw. Mabaha naman ulit sa aton school. Anatop naman niwat. Agad. Ang sako naman ini kay basa naman sa ulan kakusog. Ulan, wind signal. Wind signal number 2 is fine. Pero pag abot 3 to 5 magsapol kami ang kabayog noon. Anybody da evacuation center nag-prepared na sila kanina, pero ada na evacuation center anaton school evacuation center nagihap main campus on dito kay annex ambot kung sa sawan ang main campus may da classroom na pan evacuation classroom na pan study lesson, pero pagdating sa typhoon kuan mga classroom na pan 10 pero aton room na stand 12A kuan na nag-use iba na ipaw nun didi. So that means ang mga ipaw nun na nakadto sa sample ka pa na sa nahay na main campus. Stay safe. Ato mga kuan wood na house ato na malapit sa main campus ato. Yes. And finally kung na video na YouTube shorts is for entertainment purposes only. I made the iconic na for the outro you want to see me. It's ha 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 ha. I made that one because it's for my content. Outro only. Substance Java is my intro, but my outro for this video will not be ha 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 ha. It will be let's say I have no words. Let's say that I have no words and how to do this. But the YouTube shorts, I am not going to do the intro, but the outro is super funny, super clacky. And the thing is, I've been post longer videos than shorts, so I keep posting more shorts to get more subscribers. But in fact, my YouTube videos are not in progress because my videos let's say 10 views below, and I just keep on watching because all of the people just watching my shorts instead of my videos that I watch. So by the way, ma-charge yan na akong cellphone kay up to now akong percent is 54. The time is 11:19 and kakusog sa nawan buwas kusog na niya nawan gone out talaga. Tapos nga na aton life sa province sa Baguio, aton life sa province sa paghinga, aton life ang suffer sa paglubat sa cellphones, aton life pang lubat sa harubang aton life suffering sa tanan. So yeah, we suffered all of those problems that we face today, we face the day after tomorrow, the day before yesterday, every day, every time, everywhere, anytime, basta. So why do I change it? Instead of leaving the room, my dad just went up, come in for me, and just realized how it is going to suffer my life from doing this. And instead of having some videos using me, I don't know what time, I don't know what am I going to schedule, but for this one, I'm going to schedule at 6 a.m. probably. So yeah, so right now you're all going to see me suffer for the Typhoon 1 Phong Wong. That's the international name. I don't know what that international name was, but Phong Wong is in Vietnam. I don't know what is Phong Wong, but we call the Typhoon 1 because it is our local name at Pag-asa. Yes, so as of now the Philippines will suffer from Typhoon 1. Like again, I said as of now, signal number 3 sa Northern Samar, Sorsogon, and Ado Bicol region provinces. Ado Bicol provinces, other places in Bicol. Signal number 2, Dede sa Samar, pero northern portion na Calbayog, Matugina, and San Jose de Buwan, eastern Samar Gihap, northern Samar the rest of northern Samar, all Luzon, but in this side, Cordillera, Administrative Region, Aurora, Calabar Zone, pero the right side, Bicol again, Masbate, no, and then signal number 1 is when parts of the Philippines were about to begin suffering. So all of them one needs to suffer, right? So I'm going to premiere this at 6 a.m. tomorrow, Sunday, because yeah. Then second love worse than Hayan, Tino, Odette, Wally, something, Bopa. Yes. So if you want to see me suffering, please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment, and share. And we'll see you guys very soon. Kung ma-burn out ni talaga buwas. Burn out ni buwas. I'll say see you soon. But burn out sa Monday unta. Then I will see you tomorrow. If possible na ma-burn out ni buwas o di. So yeah.